Hey guys, it's TJ with Darpino Media, and today I just wanted to jump on here and tell you guys exactly why I decided to go with the Fujifilm Xt3 over the Panasonic GH5. But I'm still keeping my GH5. Let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, I want to apologize if you hear anything crazy going on in the background. My kids are in the other room and they're watching Onward, and it's sort of loud, so I apologize in advance. So I've been shooting with the Panasonic GH4 and the GH5 going on the past 2 years now, and I absolutely love that camera. I still love it to this day. I've been able to get some amazing shots out of this camera. It's just an overall incredible camera. It checks all of the marks that you would want in a camera still today. But then comes along the Fujifilm Xt3, and this thing really intrigued me because it has a lot of the same features that the GH5 has. It's got a lot of the same codecs, it's got a lot of the same capabilities, it's got a little bit of a larger sensor. You sacrifice the in-body stabilization, but for me, it's kind of a give and take. You just can't find a perfect camera anywhere, no matter how hard you look. I kind of bought it because there was a good deal at the local camera store, and I just really wanted to try it out because I've heard so many great things about it. And I'm just telling you right now that as soon as I shot with this thing, I was hooked with it. The autofocus is incredible. The picture profiles are incredible. Dynamic range is incredible. The picture quality you're getting out of it is just amazing. I've shot with Sony's over the past year. I've shot with the Panasonic, obviously. The Fujifilm has the perfect combination of everything you kind of want out of your picture. So when you're thinking about getting a camera, the best thing you can do is try and figure out what works for you. Don't think about what the best camera on the market is at this very moment. Think about what is the most practical camera for your personal preference and your workflow. And for me, this Fujifilm Xt3 just checks all the boxes. It's just very enjoyable. It's got all the advanced codecs, 100 megabytes per second, 200 megabytes per second, up to 400 megabytes per second. It can shoot all eye. It has everything you want video feature wise. It still takes great photos. I primarily shoot weddings, real estate. I've done some music videos. I've done some events. So I've kind of done it all. And this camera just checks all the boxes for my personal workflow. I work in an industry where it is a lot of turn and burn, like you need to get stuff out fast. We're talking a few days, so anything that can help me just speed up that workflow and just make it look good straight out of camera, that makes everything so much easier for me and makes my life literally so much easier. I'm still keeping my GH5, and the reason for that is because there's just something about it that I just can't shake. Like, I love that camera still. It just pains me to want to sell it. I really just don't want to get rid of it yet. However, just the Fujifilm system is just really good right now. I'm one of the people that were so just like anti-autofocus. I was like, why would you ever use autofocus? Just manual focus. But it is so nice to be able to just rely on the autofocus and just worry about your composition, and you don't have to worry about whether or not you got focus perfect. It makes the experience overall just a lot more enjoyable. Also, the fact that their color science is so good, there's a lot of the picture profiles in there that I can shoot with and literally just edit it. I don't have to do any color grading other than maybe some color correcting. But other than that, I mean, you could just shoot it, edit it, and put it out, and people will love it because it is that good. It really looks that good. My favorite profile so far is definitely the Eterna profile and the classic chrome profile. I'm actually shooting this in the standard profile right now because I like that look for the online content like this. But yeah, you have a lot of options with this camera. You get all the bells and whistles. You don't get the in-body stabilization, but it's coming with the Xt4. It's just incredible. I absolutely love this camera. I'm so happy I decided to jump on this bandwagon, and I can't wait to see what the Xt4 has in store for us. If you're a person that's kind of torn between the GH5 and the Xt3, you really can't go wrong either way. I still love my GH5. There's going to be a lot of reasons why I use that as opposed to the Xt3 for certain work. The Xt3 just makes you want to pick up the camera and shoot, and I feel like that's exactly what a camera should do for you. It's just inspire you and just excite you to go and shoot something. All right, well, that's all I've got for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below and connect with me. Any questions you have at all, I'll try and answer for you. I'll see you guys on the next one.